Is your hair feeling a little bit dry or damaged, like it needs a little extra TLC? Then it's time to try an Ohana Reset and Repair treatment, where we use our Keune Vital Nutrition Deep Penetrating Mask. This mask will make your hair feel absolutely amazing. It contains biometric ceramides, which are small building blocks that restore the hair's natural lipids, strengthening hair structure, improving elasticity, and helping it to retain moisture. It also contains Immortelle extract, a powerful antioxidant and nutrient that will protect hair from external factors such as heat, sun, and pollution. Getting this treatment done will improve breakage by 84%, and it will nourish your hair by 77% just after one treatment. You will also get a really relaxing Ohana Signature shampoo, and we won't just leave your hair the only thing that gets nourished. You'll also get an amazing, nourishing hand and arm treatment during this process. So next time, make sure you add on an Ohana Reset and Repair treatment to your next service. Look at how amazing her hair looks. It's absolutely shiny, it feels bouncy, it feels soft and silky. Such a major transformation.